In this video, I am going to show you how to transfer Hostinger website to WordPress. So let's see how we can do it. So first of all, we need to log into our Hostinger hPanel. Now from the left menu, click on websites. So this is our Hostinger website that we want to change to WordPress, but there is no way that we can use to directly change our Hostinger website into WordPress. So what we are going to do is that we are going to click on this three dots button and then click on delete site from here. Click on this checkbox and then click on delete. Click on done. Now click on add website from here. Select WordPress. Now we need to add our WordPress admin email and password. After that we are going to click on next. I want to create a blank WordPress website, so I will select create blank site from here. Now we need to add our domain name here. Select the domain and then click on install WordPress. And as you can see that WordPress is now installed on our domain. Now we are going to click on WP admin. And right now we are in the dashboard of our WordPress website that we have just created. So this is how you can transfer Hostinger website to WordPress. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel.